So, you guys, we're about to get the real tea on these products. You see, I have my mug right here with me with some tea in it. So, we're about to get the tea on these products. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Hopefully I did an intro. I know I said it every video, but my mind be elsewhere. But if I did an intro, you know that this is a first impressions. I am going to try to do my face in like the next 40 minutes with all new products, basically all new products. And then I hopefully want to make this like a mini vlog because I am actually getting ready to go somewhere. It is about 8:30. No, actually, I don't know. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning right now. And I need to leave the house in like 40 minutes max, really 30, but we're just gonna do 40. They'll be okay. And I want to make this a mini vlog because today is my grandma's. First of all, let me get started. Today is my grandmother's 90th birthday. So yeah, her 90th birthday party is today. So we about to get lit. For real. Okay, so I have a lot of things. I got things from Sephora. I got a new foundation stick. I got 2 new primers. I got a new foundation stick. I have a new face oil. I have the new Makeup Revolution concealers. I have 4 of these. I have the new Anastasia, well, this isn't that new, Amrezy highlighter. I had some NYX pigments right here, but I'm not gonna have time to do eyeshadow or anything like that, so I'll just include these in another video. And then I have Maybelline Fit Me powder in coconut, which is darker than me because I want to use it as a bronzer, contour shade, or whatever. And then I also have a new sponge, the new Morphe. Well, it's not new, but these things are not new, but they're new to me. So let's get started with the skin. I'm going to start with this oil from Farsali. This is the Unicorn Essence oil. It's freaking backwards. Where is the front? This is the Unicorn Essence oil. So that was the oil. That's the second Farsali oil I've ever tried. I had the Rose Gold Elixir, whatever it is, the Gold Elixir for a couple, maybe like 2-3 months. Loved it. I always get the travel sizes because they last. I'm not paying $54 for no oil. Maybe one day. I got 2 different primers, and I have the sample sizes because primer is something that I'm very nervous about buying, and I want to make sure that I'm getting the right thing. I got the Too Faced Hangover Primer as well as the Benefit Professional Primer. I'm going to use both. This is the Benefit Professional Primer. I'm going to take about this much and put it just in my T-zone area. This primer feels amazing. Amazing. And I'm going to put the Too Faced Hangover Primer on the rest of my face. I do have dry skin, you guys, so you know I kind of lean towards primers that are moisturizing and hydrating, and that is what I read about this one on the bottle. So far for the primers, I really like them both. I'm very excited to see how the foundation works with these. I've never used this foundation before. I'm very, very nervous because I don't even know if this is the right shade for me or what, but I do have the Hourglass Thick Foundation and I have the shade Natural Amber, so we're going to go ahead and try that out now. So far, I'm a little nervous because it's like, it looks like it's gonna be too, okay, it looks like it's gonna be too light, but then I'm looking at my neck and it looks like it's gonna match. So I'm a little nervous because this shit is all over my face now. One layer. I don't know if you guys can really see that well. I'm very surprised because number 1, it looks like it's a perfect match, and number 2, this foundation is so freaking creamy. I did not expect this stick foundation to blend out like that. That's why I kept saying oh shit, because it literally just blended out so easy. Like when I first started blending it, I'm like, oh crap, this might, you know, be dried already or something. But that just blended out like butter. I'm going to put a few more little lines on my face for a little bit more coverage, but this side is pretty much fully covered. I do have a little more hyperpigmentation, I guess, on this side. I just got off my period, TMI, so I got a little period bumps. I had some period bumps this month, unfortunately. So, you know how that goes. It's like, as soon as I try to clean my skin up, trying to live a better life, trying to stop stealing out of self-checkout, and my freaking period want to give me bumps. Do I need to go back to this terrible life I was living? I'm gonna just put it all over my face again. But yeah, so I used the brush to get fuller coverage, but now I'm going to take the sponge and kind of blend it into my skin because it's making me nervous. Ooh, this is making me nervous. My sponge today, I'm going to use this Morphe sponge. I picked this up at Ulta just for comparisons. Here is a beauty blender. They're about the same size. This is a beauty blender, me squeezing it, and this is me squeezing the Morphe sponge. So I am nervous. Actually, I'm so nervous. I'm going to just take the beauty blender for this part because the foundation is already looking weird on my skin. It needs to be blended, for real. Anyway, let's get into these concealers by Makeup Revolution. I got the colors I have the colors C10, C11, C12, and C15. Obviously, C15 is going to be to contour my face. So let's do C10. No, let's do C11. Like I was saying, this is C10. It's cute. I guess this is the lightest shade I have. Or, wait, hold on. Maybe that was C11. Maybe that was C11 because this C11 looked just like C10. Oh, okay. So I just went in with C10 a little bit where I put C11 at first, which C11 is kind of sort of not light enough. So yeah, I already know C12 is probably my skin tone, which is great because that's exactly what I needed it for. We're gonna blend this in with this Morphe sponge. This Morphe sponge got me so nervous. My cat is outside, you guys. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, oh no. Oh, ew. Oh god, this is, oh no. Oh no. Oh no, not my makeup on this white desk. How do people do this now? Okay, so the concealer is on. It blended out okay. It doesn't look as seamless as I would like, so I'm going to take the brush, my foundation brush, and kind of blend around those edges real quick before I do the contour. I'm going to take C15 and contour. I don't even know what time it is. I'm nervous because it's about to be 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, whatever time. Ooh, this is dark, sis. Okay, so C15 is dark as fuck. There's no way I can, like, there's nothing else to say about it. It's dark as hell. We're gonna blend this out as good as we can. See, but the brush that I usually use to blend out my contour is still wet. So when I put it to my forehead, it took off the product up there. Amazing. So let's go back over that. And I'm just going to use my beauty blender. And then on this side, I don't know what the fuck happened. Oh my God, I'm so sad. So far, I'm not really too excited about the outcome. The contour looks so muddy. And honestly, I think it's just, I'm just going to say it's the brush. Because this brush is wet and I can't use it. So I had to use the beauty blender. So it's just kind of like all over my face and like not cute. I will tell you guys this tip. If you are in a rush, A brush is going to help you move a little faster than a beauty blender. So that's a little pro tip for you guys. I'm about to put some more concealer on because that contour just fucked me up, for real. Now that that's all blended out, I'm just going to go ahead and set. I'm gonna just go ahead and set that with my Laura Mercier powder. This isn't a new powder or anything, so I'm gonna just do this off camera, come back on when it's time to bronze my skin, powder contour my skin. I'll be back. Hey you guys, I am back. I already put my lashes on and stuff off camera because I'm running out of time, y'all. It's literally 9:45 and I'm supposed to be all the way on the other side of town at 10 o'clock. For my contour, my powder contour, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me powder, Set and Smooth in 355 Coconut. This is what it looks like. It doesn't look like it's that much darker than my skin tone, which makes me a little nervous because I don't have another bronzer out here with me. Guys, this makeup look is not really good. Like, it's really not the quality that I want it to be. Like, I just am about to get so frustrated. I'm really trying to keep myself encouraged, and I'm just gonna see what it looks like a little later when it finally settles into my skin. Yeah, this powder, it just went on a little patchy. I just feel like my whole face is kind of patchy right now, just because of something I did. I don't know what I did, but I did something to make it like this. Look at this makeup I just got on this shirt. And on this desk. Ew. This is hideous. So yeah, what's next? Oh, highlight. And then I'm going to come back with my final thoughts. And this isn't really a first impression. I've used this highlighter before, but this will be my second time using it. And you know, honestly, it's okay. It doesn't really look that great on me, to be honest. Yeah, it just looks, I don't know. Okay guys, so this is the final look of full face first impressions. I've gone ahead and sprayed my face. I put on some lip gloss, all that good stuff. Honestly, it doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look the best that I've done. Like, it's times when I do my makeup and I'm really amazed at the outcome. I'm not tripping on it. I just probably need to play around with the products a little more and really research them and understand them. It doesn't look bad. I feel like the next time I do my makeup, I'll know what to expect with these products, so it'll come out better. I'm not going to return anything. I really like the foundation. Actually, the real test is going to be seeing how it wears throughout the day though. So if I remember, I will hopefully vlog a little bit. Yeah, so I have these lashes on. These are lashes from my brand. Let me know if you like this video. I hope you liked it. Hopefully a vlog will be coming after this. If not, sorry. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, all that good stuff. Follow me on the gram, and yeah, just the gram. I don't even care about Snap no more. Yeah, that's about it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. Bye.